everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to cook a pork barbecue in a frying pan. So I already marinated this one for almost 1 hour. So let's start cooking now. It's a very beautiful day outside. For today's video, I'm going to cook a pork barbecue. So first thing I did, so I put the Sprite. This is the Sprite. In here. Just make sure. This one, the garlic, the ground pepper, soy sauce, lime juice, and the ketchup, any ketchup you want. So I'm making mix it this one, mix together, then leave it for around 1 hour. So I finished everything the Sprite, so just mix it so that the ingredients that I put, it will ma-absorb siya. So leave it for around 1 hour. This is Sprite, and I don't put any water. This is Sprite and what's it called? The soy sauce. So I leave this one in the fridge. So I leave this one for almost 1 hour. Marinate for 1 hour. Then add now I need to turn around. So it's okay now. One. Okay. Making sure it's brown. Now it's ready. Separate this one to another plate here. It's ready. So I need to cook again this one so that it becomes soft. One, look at. Okay, here it is. So now I need to add from the marinated to add the sauce. So what I need to do is put the meat here. Let's separate. That. This comes from that I marinate. This is the sauce from the called that. Okay, then cover it and leave it until it's really soft. Need to check. Need to turn around. Need to turn around, guys. Yes, nice smell, nice smell. Like that. So leave it more cooked so that the meat will become very soft. So I need to close again. Let's check. Oh wow, I think it's really soft now. Wow, it's really soft, the meat. Look at, I touch it really soft. So It's ready now, this one, guys. Ready, it's ready. So I need to remove this one here in the plates. This one's really soft. Barbecue in a pan. Okay, this one here. That one like that. Yeah, let's continue to make. It's really soft. Look at, guys, the sauce. So yeah, it's ready to eat now. Later, look at how soft it is. Looking so very soft. So the sauce in here. Let's put the sauce. That. Oh. See, and it's ready. By barbecue in a pan. Look at, guys, how soft. I will use this one. Look at, very soft. See, I like the very soft meat. So let's take this one here. So let's taste it. So this one. This one here. Look at how soft. And it's so delicious. Looking so delicious. I will taste this one a little bit. Look at the meat. Tastes like nice. It's perfect. So guys, it's really nice. It's really soft, delicious, and it's good. So perfect cooked by me. So let's taste again. Perfect. Need to put this one here in the glass bowl. So look at how soft the meat is. Very soft. Here. That you can use any kind of meat. Chicken, pork, everything, beef. You can do it, guys. Depends on your taste. Every human being has different taste. So yeah, look at. I do really like soft meat, very soft, because it's good in my the sauce. This is not the oil, this is the sauce that I already marinated. That, yeah. Okay. Yes. So yeah, it's ready to eat with rice. I will eat this one with rice, plain rice. You can eat with egg fried rice, but depends on you. What is your preparation of rice, plain or egg fried rice? That. It's very lovely day today, guys. Look at how beautiful the today. Time check is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at, see how beautiful it is. Look at, yeah, everything is beautiful view outside. because it's very beautiful weather today. I don't know, maybe tomorrow will be raining, or I'm not sure, because sometimes this place is sometimes raining. It's not straight like this day, but it's beautiful. Beautiful day. Look at, see, in this one. Yep. Beautiful day outside. People are going out this time, so it's nothing people around. No, nobody is around because they're going out. They're going there in the park, chilling in the park.